Hey everyone, it's me Valentina, back at it again. But today I'm not going to be reading any books. I'm going to be going onto the internet and looking up a recipe for cauliflower crust. Me and my dad looked up like 20 different pizza crust recipes for maximum flavor. First, we're going to grate the cauliflower. Whoa, okay. When you finish grating the cauliflower, put all of it into a bowl and microwave it for 4 minutes. After the cauliflower is in the microwave, let it sit for 10 minutes and then put it into a towel and try to strain it to get all the juices out. Oh no!
One.
So now I'm going to strain the cauliflower by the towel. Oh.
Nice in the middle.
Yep. Try to do it better than I did. Okay. So, kind of wrap it like that. And then, should I strain it?
Oh yeah.
Oh no. So right now we're straining the cauliflower in a towel to get all the extra juices out because nobody likes a juicy crust.
Okay.
So when it's completely, it should look like this, kind of like dough. Yeah, it feels like dough. Yum. Put the cauliflower into the bowl and mix some stuff into it. Can you hold this so I can put it in?
Mm-hmm.
So when you finish straining the cauliflower, make like a little hole in the center. And then we grated 2 heads of cauliflower. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, so. Okay. Oh right, and crack it into the hole.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Some Parmesan.
How much Parmesan?
I don't know. Let's do like that much.
That much?
Probably a cup or so.
Okay.
We're gonna add some oregano.
Mm-hmm.
All we got is dried
Oh yeah.
ground oregano.
Oh, that's a lot of oregano.
A lot is good.
Oregano.
And then some garlic seasoning.
Ooh, that smells good.
And black pepper.
That's so strong. Okay, I think that's enough pepper. Why are you putting so much seasoning?
Like to have a lot of flavors.
This looks really good, doesn't it? Right.
Look at that piece of...
It's so long.
Break it up.
All right. So once that's mixed, what's the next step? I forgot.
We have to get parchment paper on a pan.
Okay.
Do you have parchment?
So we transferred our cauliflower mix from our bowl to a pan with parchment paper.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm gonna make it into like a sort of ball shape, very
Press it.
firm.
Yeah.
Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Do that.
All right.
All right, I think that should be good. And now that it's in a ball, just kind of flatten it. Oh, it's juicy.
So make it into a square.
Square? Okay. Oh, that's
From the center. Press from the center out. There we go.
Oh. We want it thin, right?
Super thin.
Super thin. So I flattened out the pizza and I rounded the edges so that the toppings would stay on in the oven. This one should be rounded a little bit more. All right.
All right, and it's preheating. It's going to be 400 degrees. Preheating.
Preheating.
At 400 and how long?
For
About
25?
25 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes, and then flip it over, put your toppings on it, and then put it back into the oven for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So while we're waiting for the oven to preheat, I have a card. Hold away from face and pull fast. I'm scared. Hold on. Wait, Wrigley, don't put your face there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's scary.
What is it?
Did we make you smile? Share your reaction with us. Ow, that hurt. Ew.
Where was that from?
That was in Monterey Bay at Old Fisherman's Grotto, right?
Mm-hmm. What other pictures are in there?
Oh, those are cute. Ow. Hold away from face and pull fast.
Okay, we just took the pizza out 400 degrees for 20 minutes. You see those edges?
Oh, it's smelling like pizza.
Yeah, that smells
I know, right?
amazing.
It smells good.
Okay, now we're gonna flip it. Parchment paper down.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Perfect.
Woo!
Nice. Okay, so.
That's not the pizza. That's just parchment paper. Don't worry.
Okay, so.
Ooh, that looks like pizza.
That's beautiful.
That looks amazing. Cool.
Okay, that's done.
This. And then
That's awesome.
let's put the toppings on it.
So now it's time for the toppings. Let me put some.
Oh, nice.
That was.
Smooth. That should be one more. Should be good.
Oh my gosh, it's juicing everywhere. Ooh, this pizza looks so good. Mozzarella circles of cheese. Look at how fancy and official this looks.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna break some of it off and put it on the pizza, right?
Big chunks.
Big, that's pretty small. Oh, that's pretty big.
Yeah, that looks good. Like that, all around. It's gonna be good dinner tonight.
Oop. Keto friendly, kids. All right.
Artichoke
Now,
hearts.
Artichoke hearts, yeah. Get some of that. There. Oh, not juicy. That's okay. So now we're going to do some of. Oh wait, no, Parmesan.
Yep, put some Parmesan on. Okay, now what? Well, after this, we're gonna put it in the oven for maybe 10 minutes or so.
10, yeah. So the cheese can melt.
Yeah.
And then basil.
And then basil on top.
Right now.
After.
Put the basil in it. Yum.
Dang.
It's gonna be good. After 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, this is what you get.
Mmm.
Well, at least kind of similar, depending on what toppings you pick.
Mmm.
But try it. It's looks really good. Smells really good. Hopefully it tastes really good. So this is our cauliflower crust pizza. I'm gonna try it. Mmm. How is it? Hot.
Hot.
Oh, Mom.
Look at it.
I'm super excited for this.
Look at the bottom.
Hurry, grab a piece so we can do it on camera. Oh.
Looks good.